Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the FMGE exam. Begin by thoroughly understanding the exam pattern, which includes 300 multiple-choice questions. Familiarize yourself with the extensive syllabus covering 19 subjects. Prioritize high-yield subjects like anatomy, physiology, pathology, and pharmacology, as they often carry significant weight. Develop a realistic and structured study schedule, allocating sufficient time for each subject and regular revision. This foundational approach is crucial for effective preparation. To master core subjects, focus on deep conceptual understanding rather than mere memorization. Use standard textbooks such as Robbins for pathology or Guyton for physiology to build a strong knowledge base. Supplement your learning with reliable online resources and video lectures. Regularly practice previous year's questions to identify recurring themes and question patterns. This active recall and application of knowledge will solidify your understanding and improve retention significantly. Effective revision is paramount for success. Implement spaced repetition techniques, reviewing topics at increasing intervals to enhance long-term memory retention. Regularly take full-length mock tests, ideally 2 to 3 times a week in the final months, to simulate actual exam conditions. Each test consists of 300 questions, divided into 2 papers of 150 questions each. Thoroughly analyze your performance after each mock test to pinpoint weak areas, and adjust your study plan accordingly. Mental preparation is as vital as academic study. Maintain a positive mindset and manage stress through relaxation techniques and adequate rest. Develop strong time management skills to efficiently tackle the 300-minute exam, allowing approximately 1 minute per question. Aim to review all 19 subjects at least 3 times before the examination. Trust your preparation and approach the exam with confidence, knowing you have followed a comprehensive strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.